I'm Rick James, bitch. You. Seriously, I just told you. Screen, shot, done, over, play. Okay, so we're putting a ramp here. Got the beers, got the boys. Fuck are the girls at?
We're just out here fucking building the ramp, resurface job. Hunter's drunk.
Bullshit, I'm drinking coffee.
Now we gotta babysit him in like an hour.
Oh, that anything, remember that? That was You know what the claim is? We're not J.O.B. We're getting fucking psyched on our own ramp. Fuck you, J.O.B. Perfect backside! Oh my god! Schwacks all day long. We're just waiting on plywood.
We get thirsted in the fucking treehouse.
So hey, we're making these cuts. What are you looking for as a carpenter?
You're just looking for issues in the woods, like seeing if everything's all evened up and
Screwing stuff off, cutting around, cut all the way through the 2x4. Gotta make sure you get all the way through. Alright, we're through.
shit ain't easy. Just gotta supervise. There we go. Keep all beers handy. Stokes for the brews. Hey, Bo. How easy is this shit? So easy a fucking caveman can do it, bro. Oh, are we Geico now? Jesus. It's hard. Nobody can do that. Only us. Bunch of skater misfits fucking making a goddamn half-pipe. That's what I wanted to hear. Something cool. He still walks on the goddamn beams, watches Ollie, and... Not too bad.